For this transformation geometry question, we're asked to draw the given figure and to complete a rectangle 100 millimeters by 120 millimeters shown. Find the image of the given figure under the following transformations. For part A, from point A to A1 by translation, from point A1 to A2 by axial symmetry in the line PQ, and part C, from part A2, from point A2 to A3 by central symmetry in the point Z. Okay, so before I'm going to start this at all, I'm going to index each of my points by giving each point a name. So point A already has a name, so I'm going to name 4 other points in the drawing. So the first part of the question says from point A to A1 by translation. So under a translation, the position of this object will change on the page, and every point will move the same distance and direction. So the direction that each point moves is from A to A1, this distance across. It's our direction, and our distance is the distance from A to A1. Every point will move across that distance. So I set on my compass the distance from A to A1, and every point is going to move across that distance. I'm going to transfer each of my points across, keeping lines light for a start as they're construction lines. And onto those lines I'm going to mark my distance from A to A1. My point D, my point C, B1, and point B1. As the point moves, I'm going to put a 1 in front of it just to indicate the same point moved on one step. Point C1, and point D1. If I join up my points in the same order, I will get the same shape. So from A to B, B to C, and C to D, join them up in the same order on my page. C to B, B to A to D, and C to D. Okay, and I can complete this cross shape in the middle by joining from B to D and horizontally across from C to A. You can see under that translation, the object does not rotate, the shape doesn't change, every point moves the same distance and direction. So for part B of that question, we're asking to take from point A1 to A2 by axial symmetry in the line PQ. This here is our line PQ. So under axial symmetry, every point is the same distance, with the same distance to the opposite side of the line of symmetry, which in this case is the line PQ. I'm going to transfer each point down vertically, or at 90 degrees to my line of symmetry. In this case, my 90 degree set square will do for that. Take each point vertically downwards. Same points D1 and B1 are on the same line. And every point moves the same distance to the opposite side of the line. So, using my compass, set the distance from the line here to B1. New point B2. From the line to point C. The distance across. And from my line to A, it's going to be the same. Again, my line across. I'm going to give me my new point B1. B2, sorry. A2 is already there. And C2. Point which I'm missing. Point D1. Take from my line of symmetry to the point D1. Again, join my lines up in the same order, A to B, B to C, and C to D. Finally, for the last part of the question, I'm asked from point A2 to A3 by central symmetry in the point Z. Every point on my drawing is going through point Z and to the same distance on the opposite side of the line. So I join each point individually through my point Z, starting with point B, slightly through point Z, mark the distance from Z to that point, and the same distance on the opposite side of the line. Gives me point B3. Points A and C are on the same line. Join them through Z. Distance from Z to A. Okay, already have. Distance from point Z to C. Finally, my point T through Z. Mark to the same distance on the opposite side of the line. Again, you can join all your points up in the same order. B to A, B to C,